Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review with the new Sigma Beautybird palette, and this is the Dream palette. And this is how the packaging looks. This is the back of the palette, and it also came with this card right here, and this is the back. So this is the actual palette, and it also has the same as the packaging did. It has the same eyeshadows in the back with all the names on it, and it comes with this little plastic cover, and this is the inside of the palette. And this brush that it comes with, it's super cute. It's like the same marble packaging that the eyeshadow palette has. And this is actually my first time buying anything from Sigma Beauty, so I'm really excited to try this palette out. And this eyeshadow palette comes with a mirror, which is a plus, and all the names are actually on the palette, so that's also a plus as well. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with inserting some swatches, and I'll insert those now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the review, and I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys into the eye look just so you guys can see a better look of how the shadows perform. I'm gonna start off using this shade right here. I'm going to apply this to the outer crease, and I'm working it into the inner crease. Go in with the shade right here. I'm going to use this to blend out the teal shade. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just going to apply this to the center of the lid. I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm using the same brush and applying it on. So it's not picking up that good, so I'm just going to spray the brush, and I'm going to spray it with the Hangover setting spray. So that picked up a lot better. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the pretty teal shade. I'm just gonna make this blend out more with the shimmer shadow that we just applied on. So this is how the eyeshadow came out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and then pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back and this is the finished look. So so far for my thoughts on this palette, I actually really liked the palette. The colors were easy to work with. I didn't really have any problems with the shadows that I used. I know I did only use, I think it was about like 3 eyeshadows out of the whole palette, but I'm gonna also I'm gonna play around with it more and probably post a couple more looks with the eyeshadow palette. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys into the eye look. So this is the finished eye look. I also want to mention that I did use this highlighter for the inner corner. This palette does retail for $49, which is really good. It has 18 shadows and comes with the 2 highlighters, which I think is a really good deal, and also comes with the brush, which worked really well. The shadows that I used, I didn't have any problems really applying onto my lids. The ones that I used were really pigmented. I'm gonna play around with the palette more and see how the shadows work, but so far I really do like how the shadows performed. As for the shimmer shade, it didn't really pick up on the brush too well. I did have to wet the brush. Also, I feel like it's those shimmers that you apply like with your finger, but I don't have a problem with that either. But yeah, so far this palette, I really do like it. I feel like the colors are really unique, especially the teal and the olive shade. I never really do eyeshadow looks with those colors, so that's why I did pick this out for today's look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'll go ahead and put it in the description box, the products that I use. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.